Hey there, Filthy Rich Enterprises. I just woke up. Just got finished 8 midnights in a row. I haven't seen sunlight in a long time. Anyways, today we're gonna do a little scrap run here. I'll show you in a minute. Okay. Cadillac rims, aluminum. I got 4 of them. They're from my old Caddy. See how much they give us at the old scrapyard. FilthyRich. Got some other wonderful news too. I just sold my Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm for a kick-ass price. 100 rounds. No wait, 500 rounds came with it for the lucky bastard. 860 bucks, and I'm getting a 3-wheeler. Because of Tommartyn and his awesome ATC videos. Didn't use the gun anyways. Used the gun like, I don't know, I want to say an hour a year. And if I had an ATC, I would use it probably an hour a day. So I'm going to go ahead and do that up. Thanks, Tom. Here's a scrap joint. Obey the traffic lights. Where the fuck do we go? Gotta find out. Shit, they got a little bit of scrap metals here. Next stop sign. 93 pounds, non-ferrous, they call it. Let's see how much I get paid. FilthyRich scrap metals. All right. Nearly 50 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. I think those rims were sitting around for fucking 3 or 4 years. And I got a free water out of the deal. I think I could really get into the scrapping thing here. Let's see, who could I credit for my my scrapping adventure? MarcelStJean. Yes, sir. And then the other credit for getting rid of my gun and getting a trike, that credit goes to Tommartyn. So, thanks to the both of you fellas. Cheers. And many more videos to come. FilthyRich. Over and out. Alright, here's how you spend your hard-earned scrap money on 2 15 packs of Canadian. It was $39.55 for 30 bottles of beer. Not mad at that at all. FilthyRich.